I want tequila little time with you. A little salt and a lime will do. Hey barman, will you bring us two? I want tequila little time with you. Talking it all out, see what you're all about. I hope you're wanting tequila little time with me too. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Tequila Little Time with You by Jon Pardi here. Let's do it. So please hit like and subscribe before I get into all the lesson and stuff, all right? And let me know if you have comments and stuff of other songs you want to learn, or if you want tutorials on various things, or you want me to do more reviews and stuff like that. So, all right, let's get into it now after I've done all that self-promotional stuff. Song is in standard tuning. There's no capo. You're only going to use 4 chords, and you're going to use them in the same order throughout the whole song. I'm going to show you how to do this song with a couple different strumming patterns. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the one I was just playing, which I think is more of how he actually does it, and then I'll show you how to do it a much easier way because I know a lot of you guys are beginners. Okay, so first let's start with the chords that you're going to use. So you're going to use D. All right, so D. All right, you're also going to use B minor. All right, B minor, 2nd and 4th frets, and then your middle finger goes on the 3rd fret. All right, you're also going to use G. I'm using this G. You can use whatever one you want, whatever one's easier for you, but I'm using this one. All right, and then you're going to use A. All right, so those are the 4 chords you're going to use in that order, the whole song. Super easy, okay? Now, the strumming pattern for this song, the easy way to play it is if you just do down strums. Like this. Pardon me, I don't mean to pry. I saw the tears falling from your eyes and I thought you're too pretty not to wear a smile. See, so you could play it like that. You could also palm mute it if you want to. Palm muting, putting this part of your hand as close as you can down here. So you could do, pardon me, I don't mean to pry. I saw the tears falling from your eyes and I thought you're too pretty not to wear a smile. See, so you could just play it, you could palm mute it too. All that will sound awesome. Honestly, if you're playing it at a fire or something, I'd probably kind of mix these all together, but it's up to you. So the intro part, you're gonna play, I would definitely play that part louder. So at least I would play that as. So I'm just doing down strums, I'm doing down, up, down as I transition chords. So you're gonna play D, and then B minor, okay, then G, and you're just gonna do that twice with no lyrics, okay? Then when you get into verses, the way that it's actually played, okay, and this is, again, you can play it by just doing downward strums, or you can play it by doing palm muting, whatever. But the way that it's actually played is down, down, mute, down, 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 mute, down, down, mute, down, 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 mute, down, down, mute, down, 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 mute, down, down, mute, down, 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 mute. Sorry. So I know it might be a little bit fast. Let's try it real slow for you, okay? So it's down, down, mute, down, 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 mute, down, down, mute, down, 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 mute, down, down, mute, down, 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 mute, down, down, mute, down, 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 mute. Pardon me, I don't mean to pry. I saw the tears falling from your eyes and I thought you're too pretty not to wear a smile. Okay, so you see that's how you would play it in the verses. Now for the chorus, I probably wouldn't play it that way, although you still can. You're definitely gonna want to be louder and more into it in the chorus. The way that it's actually played, I believe, is that in the chorus you're gonna be doing, I want tequila little time with you. A little salt and a lime will do. Hey barman, will you bring us two? I hope you're wanting tequila little time with me. I know I mixed up the lyrics, but that's how I think it sounds better in the chorus, because the chorus has a lot more instruments, it's louder and everything. But you can play it as, I want tequila little time with you, a little salt and a lime will do. Okay, so you see you can kind of put this different strumming patterns wherever you want in the song, because it's a very simple song. Most of Jon Pardi's stuff is very simple to play, and that's great. I love Jon Pardi. So, but what I would do is play the intro part. Okay, so I play the intro part like it actually is played, with down, down, mute, down, 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 mute, down, down, mute, down, 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 mute, down, down, mute, down, 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 mute, down, down, mute, down, 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 mute. And you'll play that twice. And then when you play the verses, if you're just playing this by yourself acoustically, I think it sounds cooler and better if you kind of mix it up a little bit. So then I would probably palm mute it, and I'd say, pardon me, I don't mean to pry. So I'd palm mute it. I saw the tears falling from your eyes, and I thought, you're too pretty not to wear a smile. See, I think that sounds great. Now, you can do it however you want though, because you know the different strumming patterns and stuff. So I'm gonna show you where the chords go real quick, and then we'll be good, all right? So you're gonna do that D, B minor, G, A throughout the song, okay? But when you start, you're gonna be playing D right before pardon. Pardon me, I don't. So the end of don't is where you do B minor. Don't mean to pry. And then you do G right before I. I saw the tears falling. And then after falling, like right after falling, and then before from, you're gonna do A. From your eyes, and I thought. After thought, you do D. You're too pretty not to. So not to. To is where you're gonna do B minor. To wear a smile. Then you do G. I hope you don't mind if I sit down. Down is A. Down for a while, cause I want tequila. Okay, so you could do that. So then when they go to the chorus, you're gonna play it louder. I would definitely not palm mute it for the chorus. You're gonna do, I want tequila little time. So you start with D on, cause I is D. I want tequila little time. Time is B minor. Time with you. Then you go to G. A little salt and a lime will do. So a lime is A. So that's easy because a lime is A. Lime will do. And then you go to D right after do. Hey barman, will you? All right, so will you? I lost my spot here. Okay, will you is B minor. You bring us to. Then you do G right after two. I want tequila little time. Time is A. Time with you. Okay, so then you're gonna go to D. Now you can make this more exciting, kind of what the song, I think it sounds like it's a little bit hard to hear because there's so many instruments, but I think they just kind of go crazy with this part, and they're just like talking it all out, seeing what you're all about. So I think it gets a lot louder. So you can do that, but you don't have to. But on talking is where you're gonna do D, right after with you and into talking. Talking it all out. Okay, then out you go B minor at the end of out. Seeing what you're all about. I hope. Okay, so I hope. Right before I hope is where you do G. I hope you're wanting to key. So to key, the key part is where you're gonna do A. Tequila little time with me. After me, you're gonna do D. Me too. Okay, then what you could do is you could still palm mute for the second verse, or depending on what your skill level is, you could do, we don't have to talk about the past, just moving forward and not looking back. A little later we can take it to the dance floor. Until then, must order a couple more, cause I want tequila. Okay, so you could do it like that. So that's how you play the song. The bridge is the same as the rest of the song. I know I'm giving you a lot of creative license on like where you can use these, but I just want to show you guys the actual way to play it and the easy way to play it. So let me know if you have any questions or anything in the comments. Thanks for watching. It's been fun, and I'll see you next time.